Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to write a program using bash or born again shell that will ask the user to give a name, and then our program will greet the user. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you enjoyed my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. We will open our editor, Nano, and then the file. Greetings. Okay, so we have here 4 lines of code. Echo minus a new line for formatting. Now, to ask the user to give a name, we will using the command read minus p. What is your name? Our variable will be name. New line again, echo minus e backslash n. And then echo $name, because it will enclose in double parentheses, welcome to Bacolod City. Okay, let us save the file, greetings, and then execute bash greetings. Press enter key. What is your name? Jacob Samuel, my name of my son. Hello Jacob Samuel, welcome to Bacolod City. Another example. Okay. Juliana Ray, my daughter. Hello Juliana Ray, welcome to Bacolod City. Let us clear the screen. Okay, so we go back to the code. So that's it guys, no, on how to greet a person using bash born again shell. Thank you so much for listening. If you have some questions, clarification, you may leave in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.